Father pen, father pen. Father pen. No, no, no. No, no, no. I can't take you out. Sorry. Hello guys, are having fun?
Yes, we're watching vacation and we're watching TV.
We're watching our favorite cartoon.
Yeah? What is the cartoon?
Bobo Boy.
Okay.
We like it so much because it's superhero.
So besides watching TV, what is your other plan that you have?
Right, I cycle up with Jonah and play chess
With your brother? How about you, Abigail? What is your plan? What do you want to do?
I'm going out with my mother.
And go to Vishal? Vishal is your favorite place?
Going to the house.
Okay, okay.
Not Vishal.
Okay, so what is your big brother doing?
Working. He's working.
Yeah, what kind of work?
He's making a chicken house. I guess he's going to make two, one for the rabbit, one for the chicken. Because he loves rabbit.
Chicken, one another chicken boy.
Okay,
Here
okay.
he's going to make top like this. I suppose he's going to put a stair. He's going to put a block on top. One for chicken and one for rabbit, I suppose.
Okay.
I know.
Okay, okay. So we're going to see what Jonah is making with the kitchen house. So we like to go and see what is happening with our chicken house. What is happening?
Cutting wood.
You're making a chicken house?
Yes.
Okay. So what you're going to make two terraces, one on the bottom, one on the first floor. Yeah. What are you planning to bring? What are you planning to have?
Turkey.
You're planning to have turkey? This is not a turkey. It's too small for turkey. We are planning to get a layer, right? We have a small space. Even though we have a small space, we like to make the utilization of the space so that we can rear some pets. Hey Ren, how you feeling? Cleaning the windows. See, one person is saying she's very happy.
She's using with cotton and cotton it will soak up quickly.
So this is Abigail, my daughter. She's cleaning the window also. So all of us in this house have to work, and Aaron is the one person who has not work at all. But today he's been working.
No.
Look at her. Where are you hiding? See the beauty of Koyo. This is like a kitchen for the pig. You cook pig food here. And I'm very surprised with the fact that someone knows the importance of wood chips. Locally it's called sichu. Locally it's called sichu in Nagaland. And my neighbor have been farming for some years, in fact many years, and knows the importance of the wood chips, which I had never thought that people understand the meaning of the wood chips. It's very interesting. So see all the garden managed here. Very nice. So you plant corn mostly, right? Mostly corn here. And also you see the squash so beautifully it's been growing. It's going to give very nice fruits after some time. This is very traditional way to see squash growing here. Beautiful. This is season. Kind of a permaculture method. This is the practice of kitchen garden here in my neighborhood, and use the wood chips for better fruits, peeling of the fruits. So very interesting how she have got the importance of wood chips here. See also here she have the poultry. You see, put sawdust. This is here. It doesn't smell at all. You see, sawdust here. The chicken is not feeling well, so they put it out. Now we get better. Okay. Okay. Oh yes, he has some disease in his skin. Oh, it's okay. Trying to teach your own daughter is one of the most difficult things to do. So I have just been here watching my daughter riding cycle. This is take some time for her to catch up riding. We are here in the chicken place to pick up some of the chicken. Beautiful chicken. We don't know which one. Which one we want to pick up? See, Aaron. Here also they have some here. They have here. We'll ask afterwards. This is poultry, Aaron. All same, na? This is same. All same. This one. This one. Different price. Same as that. Okay. Only this one is different. This is boiler. This is boiler, na?
Philister.
Oh, Philister. Oh,
Where can we see
yeah, yeah. This is Philister. I'm not feeling. Some are not feeling. This is water. This is water. Aaron will take this one. I think this is what do you call this one?
Boiler.
Boiler.
Oh, okay, boiler.
Hey, Papa, I just went to straight Philister now. Hey, we're gonna. This was so good. Are you to
Boiler 155.
Okay. All coiler and Philister. Okay, Aaron. All coiler and all coiler and Philister only. They have only two species. So coiler they lay egg or no? Lay egg. Under Danian or under the Danian. Okay.
Dia tu jiwa mo itu bagi dah gila na. Tahu kalau itu dia tu jiwa. Oleh dah kan itu baca tu ulawan apa orang itu dah.
Okay. But Philister though?
Philister dah.
Huh?
Dia tu jiwa. Oleh itu kan tu cakat berat na. Oleh itu na ulawan.
Okay. Aaron?
Makan tu baliwo natinnya tu na.
Right. We are taking. We are here to decide whether we'll take the Philister or coiler. But
one which is dinner is growing up.
but we want the chicken to have which lay eggs, isn't it? So this is according to him, he's saying he's not going to lay egg. So we can just take two. Huh? Which one? Philister. Philister.
And they look like they're about to fly.
Yeah.
Better to take one.
This is the one we are taking. 2 piece. Okay, no?
I guess we can take the other one. No problem. I don't know which
No,
one
but
is.
we need only two. No, we don't have space now.
I don't know
We
which
don't
one
have
is good.
space. We just take two.
I don't know which is good. Which one is good.
We just take two.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we'll take this one. This is good.
Tinggal dulu.
Chicken.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you got
Very
the
nice.
rest.
We got it. How many chickens?
255, 250. Yeah. So when,
255. For how many chickens?
3 chickens.
3 chickens, yeah?
And
Yeah.
when I get my own 500 TVs,
Yeah.
then I will also
You
buy
want
my own when all these chicks finish.
Yeah.
When we have space, and then I'll save 500 rupees. I didn't know these chicks were not that expensive as well.
Yeah, it's only 85 rupees.
85 rupees, that's quite cheap.
Yeah.
Even 100 rupees would be able to buy a chick.
That's so good. You're happy that you get to choose what you want to choose?
Yeah, and yeah, so happy. And then when my brother Jonah makes a house, another chick house, then
Yeah.
I will buy my own chicks.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Like
Okay.
help!
You push
Help
it.
me!
Put it down.
Wait a second. It's not closed properly.
Yeah, you first put this one down.
1, 2, here. My buddies might have gotten.
No, you put it down.
My buddies might have gotten wet. No problem. Since they are okay, and I have to stretch my legs so far.
That's okay.
That's fine. I have to stretch my legs so far for these little chicks. I may have to turn it for a little comfort. And and I'm going to buy my own chicks. OWN chick. We have brought funny our chickens when we are at home.
Okay.
We got 2 boys. I don't know actually. 2 boys, 1 girl.
Yeah, we got some chicken. Wait.
Yeah, and here we'll show. Back in we show our piggy.
Yeah, wait just a minute.
We have a big chicken under here, which is very aggressive and not scared of people. My voice will be a little changing in the camera because something I don't know. My voice used to change when I talk in the camera, but in real life it's not like that.
Okay.
And now here's a big chicken. It's very aggressive.
Yeah.
Cannot.
Yeah, open it.
And here I go on.
Slowly. Careful, they don't break their leg. Slowly.
Here one again. And that's Ina.
What's the name? You have to put name.
That's Ina.
This is
Mina because she's mean.
Okay. Okay.
I guess somebody's coming here. Do quickly.
This is Ina, Mina.
Mina, and this is Dika.
What is
The
that?
scared guy.
Dika.
Yes.
Okay, how do we know which is Ina, Mina, Dika?
According
is-
to the age, Ina, Mina, Dika. So we are floating.
Wait, just a minute. Okay, they're finding new place for them to stay. They're happy. Okay, that's good. We can even have more, yeah. We can even have one more.
Yeah,
Isn't
we
it?
can have lots and then yeah, here.
This is our first time.
Wait. See, they're very naughty here. You can see. This one is big, so that's Ina. It's a boy, and this one is second big, Mina, and here it is Dika. That's
Yeah.
the youngest one because it's colors me. So this will become.
Don't scare them. Don't put your hand.
This one will become the biggest one here, and this one will be the second biggest. This will be a shorty. So once they grow up, they will not be scared of this guy because he's quite ferocious.
Which one ferocious? The piggy.
Yeah, he's not scared. Just see.
Yeah.
Frustrate him. He will really. He's not scared of coming near people also.
Okay. So,
Okay, we close them up. Good.
okay. Close it now.
I bet Jonah will be happy to see it
Yeah.
because he'll get lots of work to take care of it.
Okay, they have come to the new home. I hope they will have fun. Okay. Hey, Aaron, keep this box proper place, Aaron. Keep this box. Keep it in a different place. Yeah.
Talk about this one.
Yeah. We just open this one, please. Let's see how is this one compost happening slowly.
I'll be going to wash my hand. Oh,
Okay, it's doing good. Let's do the compost. I put the wood chips under the soil. Okay, that's good.